Hello, good day. Today I'll be showing you how to create a bootable USB flash drive using the command prompt. I'll be assuming that you already have all the tools needed, which is a ISO file of Windows 7. You can download that from the Microsoft website. A 4 gig flash drive for the least that would hold a 32-bit operating system of Windows 7. If you're going 64-bit, you'll need to get at least a 8 gig. And a mounting tool. In this case, I'll be using Power ISO. There are others, so you can do some research and find which best suits you. First, we're going to mount the Windows 7 ISO file. So I have my ISO file on my desktop. And as you can see here, my Power ISO program have already mounted an DVD drive here for use. So I'm going to my desktop, go and look for my ISO file. It's right here. Right click on it, go up to the Power ISO option and come down to mount to drive D. Once you click that, you can go back to my computer, and as you can see, the ISO file has been mounted as a DVD drive. Now you can minimize that, and now we are going to the command prompt. You can just click start and type in CMD. And to open the command prompt in administrative mode, you can hold down Control Alt and Shift and click enter. This pop-up will come up, just click yes. And you now open the command prompt in administrator mode. We have to go into this partition section of the command prompt. So let's type in diskpart. And we'll now enter it. And now we're going to type in list. So let's type in list space list. And this will list all the memory devices on your computer. As you can see, I have 3 here right now, but the one we'll be using is, I have a 4 gig plugged in right now, and as you can see, there's 3,824 megabytes. That is my 4 gig. So you'll be using this too. Once you have identified the disk you'll be using, you're going to type in select this, and this instance will be 2. Once you're selected, in this case it will be this 2 for me, click enter. And now we're going to clean the flash drive. So let's type in clean. Now we're going to create a partition primary. So let's type in create partition primary. Enter. And type in select primary partition 1. Once that is completed, type in active. Now we have to format the flash drive. In order to do that, type in format fs equal ntfs and click enter. This process will take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes according to the size of your flash drive. So I'm going to return when I reach near to the finish. A 100% completed. Now that it's completed formatting, we are going to assign the flash drive. So once it says this part successfully formatted the volume, let's type in assign. And to know it's successful, this should pop up after play for the flash drive. You can leave that up if you want. Going back to the command prompt, let's type in exit. And now we're going to transfer the boot files needed to actually boot the flash drive from the ISO file to the removable disk. So let's open up my computer. And what you'll need is the drive letter of each device. So the drive letter for my ISO file is D, while for my flash drive is F. Now going back to the command prompt, you're going to type in the drive letter of the ISO file, which is D. So type in D and D colon and CD boot. So that'll be D colon space CD space boot. Click enter. Then you're going to type in CD boot again. That is to select the actual file. Now we're going to select the destination of that file. So you're going to type in bootsect.exe space / nt60 space and the drive letter your flash drive, which in this case would be F colon. Okay, type that in, click enter. And as you can see here, successfully updated ntf file boot code, and the boot file has been transferred. Now your flash drive is almost ready. All you just simply have to do now, you can exit of the command prompt, and in the ISO file, the actual Windows installation disk, you can open that and highlight everything, copy, go back to my PC, and paste it into the removable drive. And that is basically it. Once it's finished, it should show up, and I will show you how it show up once everything is installed. So this will take about like the next 20 to half an hour, so I'll be back then. And our transfer is now complete. As you can see, all our files are here. And this is how you create a bootable USB flash drive. Sometimes